So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video, I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum very carefully. If one root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is equal to the nth power of other root, then a into c to the power n whole to the power 1 by n plus 1 plus a to the power n into c whole to the power 1 by n plus 1 is equal to dash. Four options have been given. You have to find which one is correct. Okay. One root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is equal to the nth power of other root. Then what is the value of this expression? Okay. So I am starting the solution. Watch it carefully. Achha, what is the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, name it as 1. Okay. So what has been given? One root of this equation is equal to the nth power of other root. So we are assuming let alpha and alpha to the power n. One root of this equation is equal to the nth power of other root. Okay. So let the two roots, let alpha and alpha to the power n be the roots of equation 1. Okay. Then sum of the roots will be alpha plus alpha to the power n will be minus b by a, right? So name it as 2. Okay. And product of the roots, that is alpha into alpha to the power n will be c by a. Okay. C by a. That means alpha to the power n plus 1 is equal to c by a. Name it as 3. Okay. So now alpha to the power n plus 1 is c by a. Okay. So from equation 2 we get alpha to the power n plus 1 is equal to c by a, right? So alpha will be c by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Name it as equation 4. Okay. Implies that alpha to the power n will be c by a to the power n by n plus 1. Name it as equation 5. Okay. So from equation 3, here will be from equation 3. Okay. So from equation 3, this is the equation 3. So alpha to the power n plus 1 is c by a. So alpha will be c by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. So alpha to the power n will be c by a to the power n by n plus 1. Okay. So now from equation 1, what is equation 1? Alpha plus alpha to the power n. Alpha plus alpha to the power n is equal to minus b by a, right? So what is the value of alpha? We'll replace alpha by this value. Okay. So c by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay, plus we'll replace alpha to the power n by this value. Okay, c by a to the power n by n plus 1. Okay, is equal to minus b by a, right? So this will be c to the power 1 by n plus 1 by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay, plus c to the power n by n plus 1. Okay, by a to the power n by n plus 1 is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so now a will be multiplied. I will multiply both sides by a. Simple. Okay, so I will multiply both sides by a. So it will be c to the power 1 by n plus 1, 1 by n plus 1 into a by a to the power 1 by n plus 1. Okay, plus c to the power n by n plus 1 into a. Okay, by a to the power n by n plus 1 is equal to minus b by a into a. I will multiply both sides. I am multiplying both sides by a. Okay, so this a will get cancelled. Okay, so here c to the power 1 by n plus 1 into a, when bases are same and it is the division, the power will get subtracted. So 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. In case of division, power gets subtracted when the bases are same. Okay, plus c to the power n by n plus 1 into a to the power 1 minus n by n plus 1. Okay, is equal to minus b, right? So it will be c to the power 1 by n plus 1 into a to the power n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, plus c to the power n by n plus 1 into a to the power n plus 1 minus n, right, is equal to minus b. Okay, so here plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, and here minus n plus n will get cancelled. Okay, so here it will be c to the power 1 by n plus 1 into a to the power n by n plus 1 plus c to the power n by n plus 1 into a to the power 1 by n plus 1 is equal to minus b, right? So here c into a to the power n, c into a to the power n by 1 by n plus 1, c into a to the power n, okay, whole to the power 1 by n plus 1, plus c to the power n into a, c to the power n into a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1, c to the power n into a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1, okay, is equal to minus b. So what has been asked us? A into c to the power n. A, we can write this as a into c to the power n by 1 by n plus 1 to the power a into c to the power n to the power whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. So C, a into c to the power n, we can write this a into c to the power n. We are writing this a into c to the power n, 1 by n plus 1, okay, plus a to the power into c, a to the power n into c whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. So a to the power n into c, a to the power n into c whole to the power 1 by n plus 1 is equal to minus b. We have been asked is equal to dash, so is equal to minus b. So which option is correct? Option number D. Clear? Thanks for watching.